So today I am going to start with the English subject. So in English, let's see lesson number 1. The title of the lesson, Why Meena Could Not Sleep. Here the Meena is the name of girl. Why, that means क्यों. Could not sleep यानी सो नहीं पाई. So the meaning of the title, Meena क्यों सो नहीं पाई. So here in this lesson we have given the story of one girl, the name of girl Meena. Meena had done something and feel very sorry. She was very sad. So in this story, let's see what she had done and why she was feeling very sad. Now I am going to start story by reading one by one line. One night, Meena could not sleep. एक रात मीना सो नहीं पा रही थी. She sat up in bed and looked out of the window. वो बेड पर बैठी हुई थी और विंडो से बाहर देख रही थी. She could see the moon. और वो अपने विंडो से मून को देख सकती थी. She could see the moon. It looked like the moon was laughing at her. It looked like the moon was laughing at her. That means Meena thought the moon was laughing at her. उसे लग रहा था कि जो मून है वो मीना पे हंस रहा है. Now what happened next? Don't look at me like that, Meena said. Now what she said to moon? She said, don't look at me like this. मुझे ऐसे मत देखो. You don't know what really happened today. तुम्हें पता नहीं है कि आज क्या हुआ. What happened today? Because what is the reason? It was happening in the morning. क्योंकि जो भी मीना के साथ हुआ था वो मॉर्निंग टाइम में हुआ था. That's why she said to moon, you don't know about anything. What she had in the morning, right? Now next, she tried to go back to sleep. उसने बहुत ट्राई किया सोने का, but she couldn't sleep. What happened next? The clock went tick tock, tick tock. Now she heard the voice of clock. The clock went tick tock, tick tock. Meena thought the clock was saying, I know, I know. Now when she heard clock voice tick tock, tick tock, she thought the clock say, I know, I know. That means जब उसने क्लॉक की आवाज सुनी तब उसे लग रहा था कि क्लॉक मुझे कह रहा है, मुझे पता है. I know, I know. Now what happened next? Let's see in the next page. No, you don't know, Meena said. Now Meena said to clock, no, you don't know. तुम्हें पता नहीं है. Why? What is the reason? You were here in my room. You were not in the kitchen downstairs. What she said to clock? You are here in my room. तुम कहाँ थे? मेरे बेडरूम में थे. You were not in the kitchen downstairs. तुम किचन में नहीं थे, जो कहाँ पे है? Downstairs. Downstairs, that means the lower floor of the house. Now whatever happened with Meena, it happened in the kitchen. That is downstairs. That means the lower floor of the house. So here our first hard word is downstairs. I am going to write here the hard words with the meanings, so that is easy for you understand the meaning of words. Downstairs. Downstairs, that means on a lower floor of a house. That means the ground floor of house. Clear? Now what happened next? Meena's voice woke up the parrot. Now in Meena's bedroom there is a one parrot. Now मीना की आवाज से पैरोट जग जाता है. He lifted his head from under his wings and ऊपर किया एंड कॉल्ड आउट, दैट मीन्स उसने आवाज निकाली. मीना थॉट ही सेड आई नो. नाउ मीना थॉट, मीना सोच रही थी दैट पैरट सेड आई नो, मुझे पता है. सो नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड नेक्स्ट? यू नॉटी पैरट सेड मीना. नाउ मीना ने पैरट से कहा, यू नॉटी पैरट, you were in grandmother's room, you don't know anything. Now Meena said to parrot, you are in grandmother's room. तुम दादी माँ के कमरे में थे. You don't know anything about it. Whatever happened with Meena, you don't know about it because you are in grandmother's room. You were not in the kitchen at downstairs, right? Now Meena could not go back to sleep. Now मीना सो नहीं पाई. Oh, I wish I had not done it, she said sadly. Now she was feeling very sorry. She was very sad and she said herself that I wish I had not done it. काश मैंने ये नहीं किया होता. Now what happened? Soon there came the soft sound of 4 little feet. Now soon what happened? मीना को आवाज आती है softly 4 little feet की. Who is it? Kitty jumped on to the bed and kissed Meena's cheek. Now who came to the Meena? Kitty. There was a cat. Name of cat Kitty. Now Kitty मीना के पास आती है and it jumped into the bed and kissed Meena's cheek. वो बेड पे चढ़ती है और मीना के गाल को किस करती है. Now what happened? Meena said, yes, you do know Kitty. Now Meena admit to Kitty, yes, you do know. That means तुम्हें पता है. She started crying softly. Now वो रोने लगती है. She wanted to see her mother. Now Meena wanted to see her mother. That means वो अपने मम्मा को देखना चाहती थी. So she ran the mother's room. वो दौड़ के वो अपने मदर की कमरे में जाती है. I'm sorry ma, I was very naughty today, she said. I ate up the cake that was on the plate. Now, what happened with Meena? Meena said to sorry her mother. I am sorry ma, I was very naughty. What she had done? She ate up the cake that was on the plate in the kitchen. मीना ने जो किचन में प्लेट में केक पड़ा था वो खा लिया था. So she was very naughty and she didn't tell her mother. Now and then I shut Kitty in the kitchen to make you think she did it. Now what she did? After eating the cake, she shut the Kitty in the kitchen. उसने किटी को किचन में बंद कर दिया ताकि उसकी मदर को लगे कि वो केक किसने खाया है, किटी ने खाया है. Now what happened next? Meena went to her mother's room and told everything what she had done in the kitchen. She said sorry to her mother and tell everything whatever she had done in the kitchen. She said that I ate the cake in the kitchen and I shut the kitty in the kitchen to make you think that she did it. That means मीना ने किटी को किचन में बंद किया ताकि उसकी मदर को लगे कि ये केक किटी ने खाया है. Right? So our next hard word is shut. Shut that means lock करना. Shut. Shut that means locked. Now what happened next? Let's see. Then mother said, I am happy you told me, Meena. Now mother didn't scold her. उसको कुछ नहीं कहा मदर ने. Mother said, I am happy you told me. खुद बताई. But I knew that you had eaten the cake. But मदर को पहले से ही पता था कि ये केक जो खाई है वो मीना ने ही खाई है. But mother asked Meena. But mother asked Meena, how did you know it wasn't the kitty? Then Meena asked to her mother, how did you know that it was not the kitty? आपको कैसे पता चला कि वो केक किटी ने नहीं खाई है? Then what she replied? Because Kitty would never leave the spoon on the plate. Reply mother smiling. मदर ने स्माइलिंग के साथ मीना को रिप्लाई किया, अगर किटी ने केक खाया होता तो वो प्लेट में स्पून नहीं छोड़ती, यानी कि किटी कभी स्पून से केक नहीं खाती है. That's why she know that the cake ate by the Meena. It was not the kitty, right? So this is the story. This is a very short story about Meena, and from this lesson we should learn. We should share everything with our parents, whatever we have done, good or bad thing, right? So this is the moral of the story. We should share everything with our parents. Don't hide truth from our parents. I hope you clear the concept of the lesson 1, why Meena could not sleep. Thank you.